Kung acne prone skin ang problem mo, nako, meron akong good news sa'yo. Na-discover ko tong Meg Skin na set na makakatulong talaga para sa mga pimples, dark spots. Ito yung kanilang Soap and Serum Duo. Nakita ko to sa social media kasi sobrang hirap na talaga ako every time na breakouts ako. Kasi lagi na lang, alam mo yon, nakaka-hassle talaga kapag tinutubuan ako ng mga maliliit na zits. Kasi may tendency ako na i-prick sila. Kaya mapagparinig ko, automatic na yan. May pimple marks, may dark spots. Ayan, ang dami kasing uri ng mga dark spots eh. Diba, nagaling sa acne. May mga brown spots, purple, black or brown, saka yung pinaka-hate ko, yung mga red spots. Ayaw ko talaga yung feeling na gano'n, nababawasan yung confidence ko. So, share ko sa inyo to guys, itong Meg Skin Glow Boost Serum at itong Meg Skin Intense Whitening Soap. Tara!
So this is the Meg Skin Intense Whitening Soap, the ultimate multitasker for your skincare routine. Whether you have dry, oily, or sensitive skin, this soap is formulated to be gentle and effective for all skin types. It helps to fade hyperpigmentation, say goodbye to uneven patches, fight pimples and acne marks, so can clear up your skin and prevent future breakouts, brighten skin tones that reveal a naturally luminous complexion. It also moisturizes dry skin, no tight dry feeling after washing, just soft, hydrated skin. And now start glowing with the science-backed formula of Meg Skin Glow Boost Serum. They combine two powerhouse ingredients to give you the clear, radiant skin you deserve. 10% niacinamide expertly fades dark spots and improves skin texture. 1% zinc actively fights acne-causing bacteria to clear breakouts. Whether you're dealing with stubborn marks or just want that extra radiance, this dermatologist-tested formula is safe and effective for all skin types. Don't just cover up, treat, and glow.
By the way guys, 398 pesos lang pala tong Soap and Serum Duo. Makakatulong talaga to kung acne prone skin kayo, marami kayong dark spots, blemishes, even melasma, matutulungan kayo nito at kung gusto nyo maging brighter and glowing yung skin nyo. Kapag gusto nyo naman ng overall package as in from head to toe, mag full glow system set na kayo. May kasama na yun na body lotion, pampaputi rin yan para sa ating arms, sa ating body. Meron na rin yung Perfect Glow Foam Wash. So talagang ma-achieve nyo yung glass skin, yung mga skin ng Korean kung tawagin, di ba? Yun yung gustong-gusto natin. As in talagang kala mo, pinagpala ka sa lahat. Ganun yung gusto ko. Ayan guys, kung gusto nyo mawala yan, mag-lighten yan, nako, try the Meg Skin today kasi promise talagang nag-work yung mga ingredients nito. Hindi lang basta claims, kundi real results. So ano pang hinihintay nyo, mag-check out na kayo.